Hey everybody, it's time for another Halloweener. This Halloweener is called Skeleton Hiccups. I don't know if you ever got the hiccups before, but they're hard to get rid of, or at least they can be. There's a whole bunch of different recipes to get rid of them, but the skeleton here has trouble with that. Skeleton Hiccups is by Marjorie Keeler, and it's illustrated by S.T. Schindler. That means he drew the picture, or she, I don't actually know. Skeleton Hiccups. The title page. Skeleton woke up, had the hiccups, took a shower, brushed his teeth, polished his bones, carved a pumpkin, raked some leaves, played with ghosts, Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Eat some sugar. It's not gonna work. It just pours right out. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drink some water. Upside down. Oh, wow. Ghost made a face. Said, boo! Like a skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccup stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Oh, got smart. I thought I already had great ideas. Found the mirror. Held it up. Ah! Skeleton screamed. The hiccups laughed. Uh-oh. They jumped away. Hooray! You ever get the hiccups? I get them sometimes. It's it can be really annoying. It especially happens if I eat my food too fast. Like if I'm really hungry. Does that happen to you?